Hello! I'm Hanefa Saraman introducing to you guys the MatangBio. We are a group of young biology students in the College of Education, Department of Science and Mathematics Education of MSU Iligan Institute of Technology. Why MatangBio? MatangBio as an adaptation of educational show Matang Lawin of Channel 2 by Mr. Kim Atienza, who garnered lots of awards. So, we only changed Lawin into bio since we are biology students.
Hi, I'm Donna. In this video, we will be showing to you the basic features of our rainforest here in Nature's Park, Iligan. We will also show the basic characteristics of each plant and animals here and how they were preserved. In this place, people can also live here and can use this as a means of living. Yet, we hope that in the end of this video, you will appreciate, conserve, and care the timeless beauty of our nature.
Rainforests are made up of tall trees and many other plants, all growing thickly together. They cover a huge areas of land. It is always hot and damp inside the rainforest, so plants keep growing all year round. Rainforests are home to the greatest variety of plants and animals in the world. People live there too.
Most rainforests grow in hot, wet parts of the world called the tropics. The tropics are near the equator. The equator is an imaginary line around the middle of the earth where the weather is warmest. Tropical rainforests are only found in countries near the equator. Now remember, Philippines is a tropical country.
It is hot and gloomy and often wet inside a rainforest. Many forest trees are very tall and grow close together. Their leaves and branches act like an umbrella which blocks out the strong sunlight. This thick top layer of leaves and branches is called the forest canopy. Shorter trees and other plants grow under the canopy in between the taller trees.
Rainforests are hot and wet all year round. The trees help to make the rain. Big roots suck up water from the ground. The water is sucked up through the trunk into the leaves. The heat makes the water in the leaves evaporate into the air. This water vapor condenses to make clouds. Rain clouds make rain fall into the forest again.
Trees are the largest rainforest plants. Many rainforest trees have huge roots that show above the ground. These are called buttress roots. Many other plants grow underneath the trees. Some plants hang like thick ropes around the trunks and branches. Others live on the bark of the tree trunks. Many rare and unusual flowering plants grow in rainforests.
Animals live at every level of the forest. Some live in the light leafy tree tops where they find food and shelter. Monkeys swing through the canopy. Snakes slither along the branches in search of frogs and birds. Jaguars climb up trees to sit on the low branches. Some animals stay on the ground, hunting for food near river banks and amongst low plants.
Brightly colored birds, like the macaw, nest in the trees. They fly from branch to branch in search of food. Some birds are fruit eaters, and some birds are seed eaters. Many smaller birds feed on insects or nectar. Some birds, like the nightjar, live on the ground. They peck for food on the forest floor.
Millions of tiny creatures such as insects and spiders live on the trees and in the undergrowth. Beetles, ants, and termites crawl amongst the dead leaves on the forest floor. They help to break up these forest litter. Butterflies and moths fly between the flowering plants searching for the nectar. They help to spread pollen from flower to flower.
People have lived in a tropical rainforest for thousands of years. The forest provides them with food, shelter, clothes, tools, medicines, as well as electricity. Today, there are millions of people living in rainforests around the world. They belong to different groups or tribes, each with its own customs. Rainforest people hunt animals for meat to eat. They also gather berries, fruits, and the roots of some plants. Some tribes clear away trees to make small space for growing food crops. This is called slash and burn farming. The space is farmed for a few years, then the people move on to a new place. The forest grows back on the land left behind.
Many of the things we use every day come from rainforests. The trees are important for another reason. Their leaves have tiny holes for breathing. They breathe in carbon dioxide from the air. When too many trees are cut down, more carbon dioxide stays in the air. Carbon dioxide traps heat, so the air around the earth gets warmer. This can cause serious problems for the earth.
Thousands of rainforest trees are being cut down or burned to make space for farmland, roads, buildings, or mines. Every second, an area of rainforest the size of a football pitch is destroyed. When trees are removed, rain washes away the soil. Serious floods may occur. Many different plants and animals are losing their homes and becoming extinct.
This ends up our video presentation about rainforests. We now know what rainforests are, where we can see this, what are rainforests like, weather like, and many more. We hope that you learn a lot from our video presentation, and God bless. Bye-bye!